कर लो। Punch on his face. We have gun battle. Forgot a gun?
Did it?
No. We're gonna...
Yeah. The boss, what happened?
The veteran.
Yeah, I got the chip. He just took off. Red light.
He's gonna fuck him up. Start there to see what they do. Oh shit. Talala, why you trying to get into this shit? Let him fuck around. Stay behind him. Tell him I got that on tape.
Oh. Oh.
Well, what are they called? The Alvik calendar?
Advent?
Yeah. Whoa.
What?
Guy just got out of his car to bitch out some guy and he like spit in his truck.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Don't get oh.
Yeah, it's cute.
Oh, I bet it is cute.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, yeah, we'll drop the bike off when you're done. What? Don't get phone.
Hey! 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 Jesus. Christ, man. I think it's time to call the cops.
The guy's still there?
Well, the guy just got out and threw his coffee at the guy's face, and then they got out and the guy punched him in the face and busted his lip.
That's clothing, beauty, shoes, and more. Okay, there you go. Belt location. Irene Leonard, but it's a... That's how he's got an H in his name.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Irene...
Holy fucking Christ!
Takes a small brown purse and wearing a turkey costume.
Yeah. Hello.
Come on, relax your mind on me. When you need a shoulder, you can cry on me. Baby, you can bet your life on me. And put it all on me. Got my number, you can call me.
I was first.
I don't give a fuck. So was she.
I was first. I ordered first. No, I did.
She was not with us before you
No,
got out of line.
no, she wasn't. Smile for the camera, by the way. It's okay.
You better not, motherfucker.
If there's any damage to my vehicle,
There's not any damage.
that doesn't matter.
There's not any damage, so calm your little
Look,
chick.
look.
Whatever.
Just say hi to the camera. Look, look. I think they're hungry.
What? It's a green light. What the fuck are you talking about? Look at your fucking light, dumbass. Go fuck yourself, asshole. The fuck is he talking about?
No, you go less than that.
No, but that's what the other thing is.
This sale's got everything.
A birthday cake would be nice.
Treat yourself at Macy's birthday sale. Savings on sale prices, exclusions plus.
You're crazy, dude.
Turn right on Ashley Place.
Give me some space. I could talk to your bitch ass. You're fucking crazy. You're a taxi too. Damn. Ooh, do it, do it. Look at the camera, kid. Look at the camera, dumbass. Look at the camera. Say bye to your job, you fucking asshole. Look at the camera. Do it some more. Put it down. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Smile. Smile. I can't hear you. What? I'm gonna get cut? I'm a cunt? What? Crazy asshole. Fucking taxi drivers. Oh, let's go the same way, guys.
No, Tom, please.
I'm going this way anyway.
You've never had anyone brake check you. November 11th or registered bond on
And he goes straight when turning. Nice. On the turn lane.
never agree on where to go. I had someone brake check.
Oh, fuck. Stop! 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 I can't believe you right now, dude. Oh. Oh. Stop! 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 I cannot believe you. Are you joking me right now? Bro, are you kidding me? You know, I almost just died, bro. I was on top of your car. Dude, not sorry. You almost killed me. My leg is fucked right now, dude. What are you doing?
Hey, pick up that trash! I'm gonna call the goddamn law on you. Hey, where are you gonna be at in about 30 minutes to an hour?
Well,
'Cause I got you on video throwing that trash out, and I'm gonna call the police, and I need to tell them where to go.
slipped out of my hand.
It didn't slip. Well, it don't matter if it slipped out of your hand or not. You're guilty of littering. You ever heard the slogan "Don't mess with Texas"? Are you proud to be a Texan, or are you just,
Why don't
you know?
go fuck yourself and watch what the fuck you're doing?
Yeah, Hey, you know this is an HD camera right here, right? You're gonna be on YouTube famous. What's your name? What's your name, buddy? So this is where I can tell them to come meet you at?
Fuck off of my fucking property right now, motherfucker.
Are you gonna pull a gun out on me because I caught you littering?
Get the fuck out of here right now.
You're gonna pull a gun on me because I caught you littering.
Call 911. What's your fucking license plate?
Yeah, call 911. Tell them that I followed you over here because you were littering and I got you on video. I also got you on video threatening me with a firearm. Yeah, get my fucking license plate.
Get the fuck out of the truck,
Hey, y'all.
Get out of the truck!
Hey, you know you're on video,
Come on,
right?
you fucking four-eyed piece of shit!
You got anything else you want to say?
The best part of you run down your fucking mother's leg, motherfucker.
So you don't know how reproduction works, huh?
Get the fuck out of here.
That's cute. I know where to tell the cops to come now. It's all good. Y'all have a nice day. Hey, don't forget, don't mess with Texas.